Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a low side plank, hip raise lower. For these, we want our elbow to be directly below our shoulder, and we're gonna have a nice base because we're gonna be on our entire forearm. We are going to either stack our feet or stagger one foot in front of the other. It does not make a difference. Then lower our hip towards the floor and then bring it back up as high as we can. So this is going to be a lot of oblique work and a lot of shoulder work too. So to help you get stronger through those areas, if you want all your workouts written for you, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training.